Hello everyone, I'm Val from MikeandVelsLife, and today I am participating in the Kitchen Utensils Tablescape Challenge. This is being hosted by Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. It's being co-hosted by Cynthia, shesobless, Mysterious, Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and Diva Decorating. And for those of you who may not be familiar with these talented ladies' channel, I'm going to leave a link to each of their channels below. So please go check them out. Now on to the challenge. And the challenge is that you set a tablescape and your theme is going to be utensils. So I'm going to get the camera and give you a closer look of how I decorated my tablescape. The first thing that I did for the challenge is I went and got out my Rae Dunn dishes that has kitchen utensils on the side. Oh, I love these, and I thought, well, how perfect can this be for this challenge? And I will show you, they are Rae Dunn, like I said, and this one has nibble in the middle of it. Now, they are sort of small plates. They're dinner plates, but they're a little small. So I wanted a charger for each one. So I went to Dollar Tree, and instead of buying chargers, I bought pizza pans. I thought, well, I think that would work good for a utensil, just have pizza pans for the chargers. And while I was there, I found these dish towels that has utensils printed on it, and it says, "My kitchen, my rules." And then, while I was there, I found some colorful utensils. This is a whisk, and I have a different one on each place setting that I'll show you in a minute. And I also bought these 4 spoons, because this is in our kitchen, and it's a smaller table, so it's a place setting of 4. And I just got Mike to bend these so I can use them for napkin rings, and just put the napkins at the top and having the spoons come down. And then, of course, I do have the flatware beside each place setting. And I'll go along and show you. Here we have Dine, and this one has just a green spoon. Like I said, I got a different one for each one, and I mainly did that just to add some color to it. This one, we have Taste with a spatula. And have Eat right here with some tongs. Now I'm going to go to the centerpiece, and what I did, when I was at Dollar Tree, I found this colander. It says it's a Betty Crocker colander, so I got that, and just got some flowers, some leaves, and greenery, some little flowers, and added wooden spoons, measuring spoons, just different things in there. I went to the children's section, in the toy section, and also bought some of the kitchen utensils for children in the toy section. Got those and put in there just to have some color to it. And then here's like just a wooden fork. So that is how I did my centerpiece. So this is the way that I decorated for my tablescape. I hope everyone's enjoyed. I want to thank all the lovely ladies who hosted this challenge. This was really a lot of fun for me because I wanted those to use my plates. So thank you to each and every one of you. And I also want to thank each and every one of you who stopped by to let me share this with you. I deeply appreciate each and every one of you as well. So for now, bye-bye, and may God bless.